Hello, this is a composting device, dosepin composter. This is the premium of all the variant. When you see the operation of it, how the working is that when you put the wet waste along with the cocoa pit brick and the remix powder, what we provide, it starts shredding in the first place. Here it is very automated. So when you press the button here itself, it starts shredding. When you show inside the shredding, this takes place. But in case of popular machine, it is manual. Then it is the first stage of the composting, and when shifting to the second stage of the composter, there mixing happens of the waste. It includes the motor and blower inside at the back, so that it helps to facilitate the moisture content that very automates, so that no bad smell or odor comes. And also we have a perforated plate inside, so that the aeration happens very well, and it's an aerobic composting process takes place. And the final output of compost is obtained here by pulling out this slider, and gradually the final output of compost is obtained here as seen in the package here.
So this is the final
So
product.
this is the remix powder what we sell actually, and we also have the compost. This is the final product of final output of compost.
Okay, and these are sold to farmers or?
Yeah. If the users have their own garden, they can use it in their own garden. For
Okay.
example, some house or society they have their own garden. They can use it for that. Otherwise, we have buyback policy also, and we also sell it back our own produce compost. So likewise, it happens.
So what is the commercial of this machine?
Per day, it can handle up to 5 kg, sir. And the price of this machine is 34,000 inclusive of the accessories kit what we provide and GST and the delivery charges. Pan India, we have delivery.
And how the AMC will work?
Which one?
Annual maintenance contract.
Annual maintenance contract for this one.
If something happen, the machine service and repair.
Yeah. The automatic one, we have the warranty for 1 year. And the manual one, we may not have that much service. But if you have any complaint, based on the previous customers itself, I will tell. If you have any complaints, based on the severity, we will we sort it out through phone or video call, or even our person go to their facility, or we have also porter as well. So likewise, we sort it out.
So how many years you are in this field?
So 2023, the company has been incorporated, October 31, and products has been deployed pan India, starting from Jammu, Kashmir and South Tamil Nadu. And recently we got featured in, ma'am got featured in Idea Boss too.
Yeah,
in GP.
since I was just like खत्म हो जाए तो फिर बात
Yeah. So after that we got funding and more traction, and we have been receiving inquiries from Pollution Control Board and also the residents in Bangalore and across Karnataka. So likewise it is been going on, and this month itself we have received around 15 plus pre-booking itself, and around 100 plus inquiries.
Okay, so have you done patent of this work?
Yeah, it is patented. The process is patented actually.
Anything else you want to told us? This is
main,
going to
the-
impact the society.
The main USP of this is odor free and compact. The user can use it in their home, and it will be odor free and smell free. And the output of this compost, what we are selling, is obtained at the optimal. It has been tested at the soil health lab, and it will be neutral level. So for any of the home plants, that will be very much beneficial if they put the wet waste properly, and along with the remix powder what we provide, and also with the cocoa pit brick.
Great. So I will say, many congratulations. You are doing something great for the societies,
Thank you.
and this is really great. And ma'am, again, congratulations to you because
I'm the main founder.
yeah. So it's not only the product you are selling and trying to make something good society, clean society, and we always talk about the e-society and cleanliness society. But this is the base where we have to work. And really thanks to meet all of you both. Congratulations, ma'am.